Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your life. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant and exquisite collection of hand embroidery designs for dresses, hand embroidery, summer dresses, endemic fabric dresses and many more different type of stylish, simple, easy to make and creative dresses. The basic color and the highly demanding fabric is being used into this collection, and that is white color and a different blend of white, off-white cream, and lighter shades would also be used to make these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery. And Eastern, Western, along with a very beautiful blend of chic patterns have been used. So the ones who are lovers of hand embroidery or they are in search of hand embroidery patterns for beginners, then friends, you are at the right platform. This video collection is absolutely for you. With these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery, you can design a very beautiful hand embroidery dress at your home and you can become a designer of your own. Friends, if we talk about the fabric, then you can use any type of fabric as per the weather in your geographical region, into the state, province, city or country in which you are living. And if we talk about the threads, for giving matte and shine free look, you can use wool. For giving a 3D patternized look, anchor and DMC could be used for matte and sleek look. And for giving more shiny and formal look, you can use silky threads. So I hope you have enjoyed the design ideas, the patterns, and basically the main concern or the main focus of our today's video, which is totally based on white dresses, white fabrics, and white outfits because white is a very cool, elegant, decent color. And onto white, different beautiful, colorful floral embroidery patterns have been embroidered, which give them a more creative and unique look instead of spending a lot of money on to designer dresses. You can become a designer of your own by just following these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery. Kindly guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my video and stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Up till then guys, take care, and in the comment section comment the name of your country so that we could get to know that from which geographical regions of the world our YouTube friends and family members are here. So keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep watching our content on my channel. You can get all type of amazing, stylish, classy, and emerging latest trendy ideas related to hand embroidery. And the scope is not only limited to dress designing, but you can also get creative ideas of DIY stuff like handbags, like hand embroidery, shoe like belts, hair accessories, ornaments, handmade jewelry, and many more creatively designed ideas of hand embroidery. So thank you so much for watching.